quite a few things that are quote-unquote revolutionary for this chip. Obviously, you will have the multimedia capabilities that you do 1080p recording as well as playback that you were not able to do before. Power consumption-wise is much lower than before. And the amount of memory support, as well as the the capability of running multiple applications in parallel. I mean, those are things that actually the chip offer that was not available in the past. And that would hopefully bring a new level experience for the user at the end of the day. For most users, I think the experience of using the tab is, even though it's the same processor, even though it's similar software, but the experience is very different because of the form factor is different, of the device form factor is different, the usage scenario is very different. I think the impact of the multimedia, the capability of multimedia functionality on the chip that we offer, actually become more pronounced actually when you use the bigger screen. So those are things that I think people will recognize. Tablet is one of the emerging area for application processor, but clearly the smartphone is still a very big part of the business. And I believe that both smartphone and tablet will be a very important part of our future. Driving force behind having better camera in the cell phone come both from the consumer side as well as from the technology development side. There are a lot of things that we couldn't do in the past that we can do now because we have a better fabrication technology, we have a better understanding of how the whole thing works. We're able to invest a lot more to create this kind of technology that enable special features like smile detection and things like that. It wasn't possible before just because the complexity might be too high. And with the same token, I think consumer now more and more they are using their phone or the camera in a more serious way. In the past, it was only used for casual picture taking, and they don't even bother to look back at the pictures actually. But nowadays you see people who are actually serious about sharing the pictures. They want to upload it to the web. They want to print. They want to do posters and stuff like that. So the demand for higher quality, better picture taking experience is driving this requirement in the phone market. I believe at the end of the day, the camera on your phone should be an indispensable part of your daily usage. So you may go out and see somebody and actually you want to take a picture and remember his face, put it on the business card, the record on your phone and things like that. I mean, those kind of things that you can make your life more convenient just because you don't have to carry a different device to take pictures. And I think that's really the driving force. And at the end, I think the user experience itself is going to drive the ultimate requirement for this kind of capabilities.